Hi guys, I have another unboxing today from Box Lunch. I'm not too sure if you can tell with my theme what it is, but I've wanted these again since they were released or before they were announced. However, I just couldn't justify the price, but someone gave me a code to use on Box Lunch, and that is how I was able to justify getting these shoes. So let me show you. Comes with like a cute little catalog of shoes that they've made in the past. I remember I wanted to get a pair of their shoes for my wedding, but they were sold out of the ones that I wanted. So inside of here, the tissue paper is printed like Andy's room, and here are the shoes. Look at how adorable. So you have green glitter here with embroidered eyes and mouth, and then very iridescent tip. You have alien, you have alien print right here, and then this is very reminiscent of Zurich, and then you have Pizza Planet, and then the heel is gold glitter. Let's show the inside. Again, the tissue paper inside is very much like Andy's room. It's absolutely adorable. And then that's what the inside looks like. They were, oh, I'm so sorry, the bottom says Andy with the little aliens in it, and then Andy's print. So on the website they were only in UK, I believe, sizes, so I had to look around. European sizes, I had to look around because on the Box Lunch website they did not have what this the sizes were equivalent to. However, this right here is a European 39, which I'm pretty sure you can't see it because it is silver on very light background, which is equivalent to US 8. I am very, very happy with these. Again, the only reason I was able to get them is because I got a code off, and it was, I believe, $50 off, $50 or $60 off of the original price that they were on the Box Lunch website. That is it for today. I hope you enjoy this unboxing, and I will see you later. Bye.